Make a great choice today with the 2019 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $50,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.